Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto finance and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today, ladies and gentlemen, I do apologize. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather at the moment, but the news never stops. Now, again, I'm really bullish on all of these ETF applications coming into this space. I honestly believe there's going to be a significant amount of money coming into crypto, and it's amazing. But we have updates in relation to Ripple and XRP and Roblox, which is really interesting. I'm going to go through the XRP rich list as well. Obviously, a whale just moved $200 million worth of XRP to a private wallet, and I would love that. If you actually did that, let me know in the comments because I want to get in touch. But anyway, we've got Solana updates as well, making a recovery. Potential Bitcoin price. We've got Scaramucci giving some insane predictions in terms of total market cap coming in for Bitcoin. And I think he's on the money. I really do. Now, again, we're going to go through the coin, obviously, perspective right here to check the market cap if that actually happens. Terra Luna, I should say Luna, there's an upgrade occurring with this, so I'm still holding on to my Luna. A lot of people said I was crazy, but anyway, we've got Ethereum-based altcoin is up more than 700%, and I'm going to show you that with my bots. Absolutely insane. That is TRB. We're going to have a look at that. Now, again, BlackRock and JP Morgan are all quietly preparing for the next Bitcoin bull market next year, and I'd say towards the end of this year, really. Now, of course, we've got $27 trillion in assets coming into crypto. And yes, XRP Gold Coast 2024, ladies and gentlemen, is now officially on sale. That is Waves of Innovation. That is the XRP event taking place on the beautiful Gold Coast next year. And again, tickets are available. So we're going to go through that as well. And I'm also going to go over my day trading bots, my grid bots in OKX and in conjunction with 3 commas. It's absolutely insane. I'm going to show you that, so stick around. Let's get into the video. Ladies and gentlemen, massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, absolutely love documenting my journey with investing, with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are just getting crazy in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen. Do that. It is down there. It doesn't cost you anything. Make sure you give it a good thumbs up. Thank you very much. You guys absolutely rock. Also, little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. All right. Formalities are out of the way. Quickly go to the community tab. Yes, we have $27 trillion worth of capital that could be allocated to crypto. And we have BlackRock, Fidelity, JP Morgan Chase, Morgan Stanley, Goldman Sachs, BNY Mellon, Invesco, Bank of America are all coming for this. And also ARK Invest, Grayscale. And I'm waiting for Vanguard. I really am, because, again, I hold a lot of ETFs from Vanguard, and I would love to see them obviously start up a Bitcoin and crypto, especially, and obviously the Ethereum one and an XRP one. That would be insane if they did that. Now, top altcoins in the portfolio today, we've got Electroneum, Ravane, Hedera, Alluvium, which was a $1,000 asset in the previous bull market. Insane. And Bitcoin, which is really good. Can't complain about that. Now, Alluvium is play to earn, and pretty much like Alien Worlds, I mean, Axie Infinity. I do apologize. I need some water. Feeling like absolute rubbish today, guys. Just run down. But, yeah, play to earn games, I think, will be another play coming up in the next bull market as well, because a lot of things are coming out with play to earn, especially with Roblox. Not that I've ever played it. Crazy stuff. But anyway, let's have a quick look at the prices on Coinspot. They are an official partner of the channel, so please feel free to use the referral links below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin, and with this stuff, do your own research. Now, Bitcoin's sitting at 45,000 Australian dollars today. XRP's at 78 cents. We've got Solana at $38. Matic's at 83 cents. Litecoin, $99. Polkadot's $5. Chainlink is $11 as well. XLM, 16 cents. Hedera, literally the only one in the green today at 7 cents, which is nice. VeChain doing absolutely F all for months, but I'm still bullish on the project. Optimism $1.94. Quant is $139. Algo's at 14 cents. XDC at 7 cents as well. Axie's at $6. Now, again, I'm spewing that I cannot stake this anywhere. I'm still looking. Neo's $11. Now, moving down, IOTA's at 23 cents. And we have Casper at 4 cents as well. And Luna, classic, $2.62% down today. I'm still holding on to this. I bought it when the collapse happened with FTX anyway, or I should say UST. So I haven't sold it, but I got a massive bag of this, and we're going to see where this one goes. But anyway, let's go to crypto bubbles. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University links below. I put up all my buys, sells, trades, indicators, full altcoin list, my grid bots, my futures grid bots, my day trading bots with 3 commas. The full video setup is in there, guys. And yes, all the news before I go live on the channel. And more importantly, my dividend investing, which again, I just got paid out today, 500 Australian dollars in dividends. And that's getting reinvested back in the portfolio. So it's just insane. I really love this community. And I'm putting up a lot of stuff on here that would be considered financial advice. So yeah, that's the reason why I've got the Patreon. It's $5 a month. It's absolutely nothing. I pay like 20 times that a day for coffee. Just putting it out there. Anyway, 1,294 posts. Thank you, guys. 401 subscribers, which is insane. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Really, really bullish stuff. Go join up. Now, again, I'm going to show you OKX. This is my actual account, and they are an official partner in the channel, as well as 3 commas. I'm using both OKX and 3 commas. Why? Because I can trade with leverage on OKX. Unfortunately, in Australia, we can't use Binance to trade with leverage. We can't use Bybit or KuCoin. We can't. It's just too heavily regulated here, and it's a pain in the backside. So yes, OKX is bullish. Now, today I'm down $3. But the crazy thing is on the week, I'm up $991 Australian, which is crazy. On the month, I'm up $1,469. And on the 6 months here, $14,753. That's 965% in 6 months. Absolutely wild. And again, I've leaving these bots run, basically trading 24 hours a day. It's 365. It just does not stop. And I don't really have to think about it because the bots automatically do it for me. We're in the age of AI, so it's a no-brainer. Currently got 45 positions opened up. Now, quickly on 3 commas. Now, again, I've got this all linked in the Patreon, but this is my 3 commas. This is the mobile app, which is great to just keep an eye on things. But again, I much prefer to do my setups on the full desktop. Now, there is a video on my channel on this, guys. Go check it out. It's really cool, and you'll be able to see exactly how I've got my bots set up. Now, moving here, I've got obviously single bots trading in long positions. With 15x leverage. I don't recommend trading with leverage to anybody unless you're well and truly prepared to lose it. But as you can see right here, I do have a multi-bot set up. I've got one on a long and one on a short, trading 30 altcoins, which is just insane. So you can basically monitor the deals on the app. But moving back to OKX, you can see the deals here. 43 positions open up at the moment. And if we go to the deals and the history, let's have a look here. As you can see right here, these are all the deals. So it takes 1.5% profits. Look at this. Really, really nice. These are the shorts, the longs. It just takes small profits, but consistently. As you can see right here, the win rate has been insane in the last 72 hours. And I should say the last 3 days, it's been crazy. So that's the reason why I'm up like $900 on the week. So look at this. Look at the gains. This is all green. They're all green. Crazy. So yeah, this is using, I've got using an RSI indicator on 3 commas as well, on a 3-minute time frame. You can adjust these indicators to whatever you want. You can use MACD, Bollinger Bands, whatever you like, you can use. It's all there. I mean, look at this deal, 14 USDT on that one trade. It's absolutely insane. 12 on that one, 7 on this one with Tron, 2 on Aave right here. Some big win trades right here. I mean, they're all green. I'd say this is probably a 90% win rate. Last 24 hours. I'm basically 6 USDT here. We've got 7. Big one here on a loss on XRP. That was a long position. But there you go. So again, pretty crazy stuff. This is no BS. And go join up on the Patreon because everything is linked there. Now, I've also got the bots that are on the platform OKX, the Futures Grid Box. I've got them also linked in the Patreon, which you can copy. Up to you. I don't recommend trading with leverage unless you're well and truly prepared to lose that. All right, it's not financial advice. I'm up 8% on Link on 110 USDT investments. Solana, I'm up 17%, which is just nuts. Casper up 14% right here. Let me go down and scroll. We've got Link as well, 19. Another one. We've got TRB up 310%. On a 50 USDT investment, I've made 155 USDT. I wish I had to put more. But I'm just going to let this bot go because, I mean, I've seen this go absolutely parabolic. Some bots have up like 3,000 or 4,000%. Mental. IMX, I'm up 10.59. I've got WorldCoin up 59%. We also have Optimism here, 23%, which is just nuts. So again, everything's in the Patreon. Go join up. You will not regret it, and there's really useful information in there. Crypto bubbles, it's basically red today. We have Pulse Chain and Hex. What has happened to Richard Hart, I don't know. Again, I'm not invested in Hex, and I basically stayed well away from this. I had a feeling this was not really going to go well, just given the fact that he was posting up so much stuff with his Ferraris and designer shopping. It didn't look good. Definitely didn't look like Brad Garlinghouse, that's for sure. No offense. But I do feel bad the people that got rugged out of this, but Pulse Chain as well, up 14%, whatever. Now again, Ethereum as well, 1% down on the day right here, 21% on the year, sorry. I'm still holding my Ethereum. Again, I only used it basically to trade and pay those freaking gas fees, which are insane, but that is pretty much it. Now, again, I've got Solana right here at $23 USD. It is up 8.2 on the week and 27% on the month. Very, very nice. Now, again, we have some other altcoins that I'm really, really bullish on. Example, Hedera, 1.9% as well to 4 cents. It is still incredibly undervalued. It's up 4.6 on the week. Moving down, let's have a look here, ladies and gentlemen. XDC's in the green, 1.8% today, which is nice, at 4 cents. Still undervalued. And, of course, Lunk, I mean, the supply needs to be burnt, really, when you think about it, but there are updates that are occurring on the project, so we'll get into that in a second. But Ripple's XRP Chiz trillion shakeup, potential amid calls for massive adoption by big banks. And the crypto analyst, Karen right here, better known from Twitter as Noobs Crypto, no, I'm not going to repeat that, conducted an analysis that the potential impact of cryptos on Ripple XRP and XLM, bullish on both, on international bank transfers. And he pointed out that during this 4 years working in banking, he observed numerous issues related to the traditional finance, such as the slow pace and high cost associated with processing international transfers. It's a freaking nightmare. They need to change it. As a result, the crypto pundit explained that the cryptos XRP and XLM could resolve these problems by enabling fast and cost-effective global transfers without the needing of payment service providers or PSPs. Or Nostro accounts. One bank holds Nostro accounts in another country to process transactions in its native currency, simplifying exchanges. How could it revolutionize this? By eliminating the need to lock funds in Nostro accounts. Well, I've spoken about this before, but there's a significant amount of money just sitting there. And ensure liquidity. Additionally, the highlighted that unlike the high fees and banks charges for international transactions, XRP and XLM can complete them in seconds, charging only nominal fees. And regarding XLM, he noted that like XRP, it facilitates the transfers of money between friends and family globally without intermediaries, charging excessive fees and the impact user savings. And he also emphasized another project which is not well known and not approaching the massive market cap of XRP over $27 billion offers, meaning XLM, a payment solution agnostic with an experienced team that has worked for companies like Visa, Swift, PayPal, and among others. So there you go, XLM and XRP. I'm still bullish on those. Now, the rich list, ladies and gentlemen, having a quick look at the statistics today, you'd still need to be holding 3,569 XRP to be in the top 10%, which is not a lot when you think about it. Top 5 is 11,000, 4% is 15,000, 22,000 in top 3%. And again, 1% you need to be holding 66,000 plus. And again, if you're a whale holding 5.6 million, well, you're just an OG, aren't you? Because you would have gotten in very, very early with this. Absolutely wild. And the wallet addresses, by the way, are significantly going up. And let's just get to this if I can do it. 4.8 million as at the October 5th. Okay, so that's pretty crazy. I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Let me try that again. 4.813. There you go. 17th of October. Wild. Moving on, we've got Roblox right here. Teams up with BitPay to offer Ripple's XRPs a payment option. This is crazy right here, but with more than 200 million active users and 65 million daily active users, I can't say that I'm on Roblox, but that's crazy. And XRP has obviously been added to this as a form of payment methods for in-game purchases, subscriptions, and transactions. And the news was announced by BitPay on its X account, which is pretty incredible when you think about it. Now, I've seen some things on X about this, that they basically turned over $700 million on this game, which is, I mean, that's a lot of money. That's just a cash-generating machine. Now, a whale has moved $200 million in tokens, XRP, to a new wallet. And I would really like to know who this is. Is it you? Let me know in the comments. But this is crazy right here. 409 million XRP valued at $201 million, guys. That's US dollars, by the way. So we're talking, what, $350 million. Sorry, I was going to say 1,000, but $350 million in XRP. That is absolutely wild. Let me know if that was you. Now, quickly, let's have a look at Solana. Impressive recovery since FTX induced FUD. And I'm still bullish on Solana right here. And Solana more than doubled its market value in a year-to-date basis, bolstered a big partnership, obviously, with Visa. And Solana's market depth recovered significantly. Now, Solana was closely connected to FTX and Sam Bankman-Fried, the absolute idiot. Obviously, fortunes right here, the downfall of crypto exchange last year caused serious ramifications for the former. However, the 8th largest crypto asset has put the past behind and embarked on a robust recovery path. Obviously, in 2023, after plunging to historical lows, that's when I bought it. In the days following the collapse, Solana more than doubled in market value on the year-to-date basis per coin market cap. And while not directly related to FTX, Solana was widely endorsed by disgraced co-founder and exchange Sam Bankman-Fried. So much so that critics speculated that SBF's campaigning was partly responsible for the token's price increase seen earlier. Now, I just want to point out, I believe he staked it a significant amount. The estate has actually staked a significant amount of Solana. It's going to be interesting with that. Huge potential for Bitcoin price range right here. Now, again, this is pretty crazy, but obviously we had the fake news coming out that they basically approved the spot Bitcoin ETF. Everyone needs to chill the F out, calm down, because it's still in progress. But many analysts believe that it would lead to an increased demand for Bitcoin. This is Google Bard, by the way, and which could drive the price. And some analysts have even predicted the price of Bitcoin could reach 100,000 or even 200,000 US dollars if a spot ETF is approved. I honestly believe that's going to happen. Now, moving on to Scaramucci, the mooch. He's basically saying that easily $15 trillion basically would be the market cap of Bitcoin if this were to happen. And you can see right here, I think Bitcoin could easily be a $15 trillion asset. And Scaramucci said in a recent interview that he expects Bitcoin to easily be in this asset range, which is insane, in the coming years amid the broken US financial system. And that's true. And there is the cleaner in my office, so I do apologize. There's always someone making noise. According to the business magnate right here, Bitcoin is more valuable than gold and could become a store of value. And Scaramucci noted that because those reasons, we own a lot of Bitcoin here. And that's bullish. Quickly on coin perspectives, I want to get this video done, but I mean, absolutely wild. If we were to put 15 trillion, I like to have a bit of fun with this, so calm down. Again, if we were to put 15 trillion, and we're talking market cap here, let's just go there, $15 trillion, the price of Bitcoin would be 768,000 US dollars for one Bitcoin. You wouldn't need to be holding a lot of Bitcoin. That's just insane. So if that were to happen, you know, every other altcoin below that would obviously increase in price. So again, there's a lot of money coming into this space, easily. I honestly believe that. Terra Luna, there is an upgrade quickly. I'm not going to go through this, but too much. There is an update that's occurring. In a recent announcement, Terra Luna developers unveiled an approval for recommendation 4785. Consequently, the much-anticipated update for Terra V 2.5 has secured a green light from the vibrant community. Additionally, this transformative phase is slated to transpire at block height X, I'm not going to even say because it's too long, but on Wednesday, 18th of October, which is today. However, there is a brief pause in the chain's operations to facilitate the seamless transition to the upgrade right here, which is nice. So again, Terra Luna, I'm still holding on to it. Now, this is crazy, but Ethereum-based altcoin that's up 700% in 2 months, primed for basically to come back down in price, and that is TRB. And I'm not paid to say this. I've literally got a bot set up on OKX that's up 300% on this. And what is it? In the age of internet and data, they quickly become the most valuable commodities there is. We use it in practically every activity and digital interaction on our day-to-day lives. And yet ordinary blockchain-based applications can't access data that isn't on the blockchain. And blockchain technology may have the potential to revolutionize the world. And of course, we've got interested in Telor, TRB, but not sure what it's all about, where to begin. No worries, this guide is designed to help you. Now, again, the total supply is 2.4 billion right here circulating, which is a lot. Trading volume at the moment is 29 million euro, I should say, and this is crazy, but we'll have a look at that. And the market cap's 132 million euro, which is insane. Then basically Teller is a blockchain-based decentralized Oracle right here network that connects smart contracts to Ethereum on external data. It is a secure, transparent, and designed for Ethereum decentralized applications, and with a focus of decentralized finance. And Teller provides a valuable off-chain data for Ethereum smart contracts, while all data feeds are reliable and stable. So again, I am trading this with a bot, no BS. It's in the Patreon. Now, of course, I'm not going to get into this, but BlackRock, JP Morgan are quietly and laying down the groundwork for the next Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP crypto bull run again, which is absolutely wild. And the price of Bitcoin has swung wildly this week, temporarily boosting other, obviously, altcoins, including Ethereum and XRP, due to the false report that BlackRock's closely watched spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund application had been approved, and obviously went viral. But again, they're all doing this. They're all doing this right now. Now, I'm not going to get into this other article, but the XRP Waves of Innovation, shout out to Fabio and Darren and everybody involved with this, because it's absolutely crazy. But you can buy tickets to this now. They are available. You can buy them right here. 155 days left. This is going to be a very bullish conference, and I will be there. So make sure you grab your tickets now. There is a full-blown schedule, which you can check. And obviously, there's going to be some pretty incredible guest speakers at this event. And there it is right there, the RACV Center on the Gold Coast, which is going to be wild. So there's going to be some interesting characters there, and I'm going to be there, that's for sure. So go buy your tickets. The link is on Twitter. I'll retweet that. Now, let's go to the buy flow quickly. We've got money going into. We have, that's the sell flow. Let's go to the buy. I want to see this. Ethereum, XRP, Solana. We have Bond, Doge, Tron, WorldCoin, and Matic. I do hold the majority of those. Quickly on X, let's have a look here. And I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. Go follow me there. Thank you to those 5,530 people. You guys rock. Yes, that is my Porsche that I'm going to be buying when crypto goes parabolic. Waves of Innovation. There it is. There is the link. Go join up. Go get your tickets now. We've got BlackRock CEO on Fox. We're hearing clients around the world about the need for Bitcoin. That's just $10 trillion under management as we speak. $27 trillion coming into this space. We've got, obviously, Fidelity filing an updated version of their spot Bitcoin ETF application today, which is really, really interesting. David Schwartz, have a quick listen to this.
Be the same in the private ledgers as it is on the public.
Yes. The value proposition of XRP is that it has these liquidity pools. If it doesn't make sense to isolate something, like there's no place where gold is worth twice as much as it is now, because if there was, people would just bring gold there and they would they would buy gold somewhere else and they would sell it there. Unless the only way that you can have the value be very different in two places is if there's a lot of friction. And if there's friction, someone will make a business of removing that friction. So I don't see any realistic scenario where XRP has significantly different value unless something's wrong. So like a good example of a case, there was a time where the value of XRP, they called it the kimchi premium, right? Where the value of XRP in some Asian countries was very high, but that was because there were capital controls, right? That was because things were bad. I think that's a sign that something is not going well. There
you go. So it's basically going to be the same price it is on the XRP private ledger. There you go. The Fear Ingredients are sitting at 50 right now. Moving on, ladies and gentlemen, Kathy Woods, our final deadline is January 10th, and we are first in line. However, a number of Bitcoin spot ETFs are likely to be approved simultaneously. I agree. And there are some interesting updates here. The SEC has to approve or delay 3 spot Bitcoin ETFs today. That is the 17th. Moving on, we've got a whopping 4.5 trillion SHIB tokens being transferred to unknown wallets. That is a lot right there. And again, moving down, Ripple Travelex Bank partners with National Bank of Cambodia to trade Khmer Real. Everyone will use XRP. That is absolute facts. Roblox right here again. That partnership is bullish. I mean, if they're trading $700 million in sales, which is insane. And Fidelity, yes, has filed an updated version of their ETF application, and Elon Musk putting out some pretty funny memes today. That is pretty much it, ladies and gentlemen. Quickly go to CoinMarketCap. We've got $1.09 trillion, $46 billion in volume, 51% Bitcoin, 17% Ethereum. And yes, this is my full altcoin list that is literally up in the Patreon every single day, and my banking coin list. Again, I've shared this many, many times. And yes, Solana is in there, and I cannot wait for XRP to go parabolic. I'm still waiting for that. But anyway, that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for sticking around. I'll speak to everyone tomorrow. Join the Patreon. Join me on social media, and I'll speak to everyone in the comments and the community tab. All right? Stay safe. Go have a good evening, a good afternoon, and good morning. And if it's morning, have an espresso. Peace out, guys. Bye.